Hello, Helderberg. Good evening. Jaco here, Oryx Point guest farm owner. I would like to take this opportunity to invite all the people of the Helderberg region, Strand, Somerset West, Gordons Bay, Lurys Pass, the whole area, to please watch this video and join us at the farm as we develop Oryx Point right outside of Van Wyksvlei, Northern Cape Province, into one of the most beautiful events venues that you will ever see. So please take this journey with me, and as I try and do my best to develop the land that I bought a couple of years back and try and make it into the Northern Cape's premier events facility. So please watch and subscribe and share this video all over the Helderberg, and I will also keep you guys updated to our merchandising range, which will happen soon as well. And yeah, you can buy some stuff, some merch from me, which will all go. Every single cent will go to development of Oryx Point Farm. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to everybody you know. Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Bye bye.